Is it good?
Yes, it is. It is good.
Is it good?
No, it isn't. It is not very good.
Is it bad?
Yes, it is. It is bad.
Is it bad?
No, it isn't. It is not bad.
Is it okay?
Yes, it is. It is okay.
Is it okay?
No, it isn't. There is a problem.
Is it fine?
Yes, it is. It is fine.
Is it fine?
No, it isn't. It is not fine.
Is it ready?
Yes, it is. It is ready.
Is it ready?
No, it isn't. It is not ready yet.
Is it correct?
Yes, it is. It is correct.
Is it correct?
No, it isn't. It is incorrect.
Is it wrong?
Yes, it is. It is wrong.
Is it wrong?
No, it isn't. It is not wrong.
Is it true?
Yes, it is. It is true.
Is it true?
No, it isn't. It is not true.
Is it possible?
Yes, it is. It is possible.
Is it possible?
No, it isn't. It is not possible right now.
Is it important?
Yes, it is. It is important.
Is it important?
No, it isn't. It is not important.
Is it easy?
Yes, it is. It is easy.
Is it easy?
No, it isn't. It is not easy.
Is it difficult?
Yes, it is. It is difficult.
Is it difficult?
No, it isn't. It is not difficult.
Is it simple?
Yes, it is. It is simple.
Is it simple?
No, it isn't. It is not simple.
Is it clear?
Yes, it is. It is clear.
Is it clear?
No, it isn't. It is not clear.
Is it confusing?
Yes, it is. It is confusing.
Is it confusing?
No, it isn't. It is not confusing.
Is it useful?
Yes, it is. It is useful.
Is it useful?
No, it isn't. It is not useful.
Is it helpful?
Yes, it is. It is helpful.
Is it helpful?
No, it isn't. It is not helpful.
Is it safe?
Yes, it is. It is safe.
Is it safe?
No, it isn't. It is not safe.
Is it dangerous?
Yes, it is. It is dangerous.
Is it dangerous?
No, it isn't. It is not dangerous.
Is it normal?
Yes, it is. It is normal.
Is it normal?
No, it isn't. It is not normal.
Is it open?
Yes, it is. It is open.
Is it open?
No, it isn't. It is closed.
Is it closed?
Yes, it is. It is closed.
Is it closed?
No, it isn't. It is open.
Is it working?
Yes, it is. It is working.
Is it working?
No, it isn't. It is not working.
Is it broken?
Yes, it is. It is broken.
Is it broken?
No, it isn't. It is not broken.
Is it fixed?
Yes, it is. It is fixed.
Is it fixed?
No, it isn't. It is not fixed yet.
Is it clean?
Yes, it is. It is clean.
Is it clean?
No, it isn't. It is dirty.
Is it dirty?
Yes, it is. It is dirty.
Is it dirty?
No, it isn't. It is clean.
Is it empty?
Yes, it is. It is empty.
Is it empty?
No, it isn't. It is full.
Is it full?
Yes, it is. It is full.
Is it full?
No, it isn't. It is not full yet.
Is it available?
Yes, it is. It is available.
Is it available?
No, it isn't. It is not available.
Is it expensive?
Yes, it is. It is expensive.
Is it expensive?
No, it isn't. It is not expensive.
Is it cheap?
Yes, it is. It is cheap.
Is it cheap?
No, it isn't. It is not cheap.
Is it free?
Yes, it is. It is free.
Is it free?
No, it isn't. You need to pay for it.
Is it new?
Yes, it is. It is new.
Is it new?
No, it isn't. It is old.
Is it old?
Yes, it is. It is old.
Is it old?
No, it isn't. It is new.
Is it big?
Yes, it is. It is big.
Is it big?
No, it isn't. It is small.
Is it small?
Yes, it is. It is small.
Is it small?
No, it isn't. It is not small.
Is it heavy?
Yes, it is. It is heavy.
Is it heavy?
No, it isn't. It is light.
Is it light?
Yes, it is. It is light.
Is it light?
No, it isn't. It is heavy.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, it is. It is comfortable.
Is it comfortable?
No, it isn't. It is uncomfortable.